Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Nintendo Switch saves with Nintendo Switch Online step by. To backup your Nintendo Switch saves with Nintendo Switch Online, start by ensuring you have a Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Power on your Nintendo Switch console and navigate to the home screen. Select the system settings icon, which looks like a gear. Scroll down and select the Save Data Cloud Backup option. Choose the appropriate user profile you want to backup. If you see the Save Data Cloud Backup option, that means your profile is eligible for cloud saves. Next, select the game you wish to backup. You will see the Upload Save Data option for that game. Choose Upload Save Data to begin the process. Wait for the upload to complete. This might take a few moments. Once the upload is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Repeat this process for any other games you'd like to backup. To restore your saved data, return to the Save Data Cloud Backup option in System Settings. Select the game for which you want to restore the saved data. Choose Download Saved Data to retrieve your saved game. Confirm the download to complete the process. This is how you can easily backup and restore your Nintendo Switch saves using the Nintendo Switch Online service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.